take a recording now. Pulled the headliner yesterday. It's some surface rust. Not real bad. Just wire brush it and hit it with inhibitor. Steering wheel.
Where's she sailed? Thank you. That's fucking nasty, man.
Yeah. Look at that shit.
Bunch of chain.
Look at that. God, look at that. That's a... Ugh. I hope it's just surface rust. Anyway, got the rear panels gutted. That's nasty. Trunk gutted.
Yeah.
More crap. You're better off. So, my brother helping me. Yay. Okay, we'll get back to it. Oh,
you know that Adam Sandler song, You Got a Piece of Shit Car?
No.
Oh. Okay, well, look it up.
See, dead.
You want to touch my lizard?
Lizard. Oh well. You get the idea.
Yeah.